it's Karen, and in this video you're going to learn about 8 websites where you can make $100 per day in 2020, and some of these you can make even more than that. I've been able to make good money online, but I'll tell you that it takes perseverance, hustle, and really wanting to change your life. And I have been consistent and persistent, and some of these websites have really changed my life. In fact, yesterday I made more money before I went to work than I did on my job as a physical therapist that I've had for 30 years, where I make 6 figures. So you're going to learn about these websites, how you can earn money with them, and be able to have freedom and choices in your life. And we're getting started right now. Website number 1 is Amazon Kindle Publishing. And I know someone who makes $30,000 per month, and you don't even have to write these books yourself. You can outsource it and pay someone anywhere from $100 to $125 per book. The goal is to make $500 per book per month. So you would need 6 books that are selling well to make $100 per day. And I'll tell you, I know the power of Amazon advertising for you, because a few years ago I was drop shipping on Amazon, and we got the buy box on just a few items, and we were making hundreds and hundreds of dollars a day. We made $16,000 profit in 6 weeks because we had the buy box. And the same thing for Amazon Kindle. Amazon advertises for you, so once you get the book up, you can earn money over and over again, and that's like residual income that you'll get every single month. But you don't want to just put up any book. You want to do your research to see what's already selling by going to Udemy and see what courses are really selling well over there. Take that topic and go over to Amazon and see if it's selling well on Amazon. And in order to learn how to do this, I do have a free webinar I wanted to share with you, because he goes through in detail how you find best-selling books to put on Amazon Kindle. So I'll leave that in the description below this video. You guys can check it out. Your book will be published in as little as 5 minutes, and then within 24 to 48 hours, it's worldwide on Amazon, and you get 70% of the royalties. So Amazon Kindle, great way to make $100 per day. The second way that you can make $100 per day is by creating courses in Udemy, Thinkific, and Teachable. And I know someone who makes $3,000 a day with her online courses. She said she wakes up to that every single morning. While she's sleeping, she's making this money because she took the time one time to make a course. And the great part about it is you don't even have to know anything about the subject. I created a video. I'm going to post this in the description below this video. But you can go into Udemy and create free courses, and then in your resource section put links to whatever affiliate product you may be promoting with that course, and be able to earn residual income that way. And it's a very, very great strategy. It will cost you absolutely nothing. Just a tip for you, if you know anything about Kartra, there are no free courses in Udemy on Kartra, and people will take a free course over one that they need to pay for. So if you know something about Kartra and you can create a really great course, and then in the description in your resources section have a link to your Kartra affiliate, you can make some good money that way. And also, if you know anything about Kartra and you have a gig on Fiverr, you can put your link there to help people learn even more about Kartra than they learned in your free course. Website number 3 is Fiverr, and hear me out here, because Fiverr can be a gold mine. Now, one of the things that I really look for is people who make good thumbnails, and there's a lot of YouTube creators out there that need good thumbnails, and I will tell you that if you are someone who is really good at that, and you can stand above the rest and offer a really high quality thumbnail, you could charge at least $15 to $20 per thumbnail if it's really, really good quality, because a lot of the thumbnails that are purchased on Fiverr are not really that good. And you could charge $20 for one thumbnail, and you could sell 5 of them a day, easily make $100 a day. Another idea, you can combine all these, but is removing background. There's a website called remove.bg. You just upload your photo and click, and the background is removed. And I think that's probably what a lot of these people are doing, and they're making $5 doing 20 of them, which won't take you very long, but that's just another example. And then we talked about Kartra. Let's say you know something about Kartra or any technical thing. You can get on a Zoom call with someone and teach them about whatever it is that they need to know about that particular site. And I'll tell you that I purchased a gig on Fiverr just the other day because I was having a really hard time figuring out something in Kartra. We ended up spending an hour and a half, and I gave him a lot of money. But I was so grateful because this was taking me forever to figure it out on my own. So just think about all the different skills that you may have, technical or whatever kind of skills you have, and you can get a gig on Fiverr and really help a lot of people. But thumbnails are something that people buy all the time. There's some people that create a video a day and they need one thumbnail a day. And again, if you can make super high quality thumbnails, I think you can make some really good money on Fiverr. Website number 4 is YouTube. YouTube has been a gold mine for me, and I make money every single day through YouTube. There's so many different ways that you can make money just in addition to Google AdSense. You can do affiliate marketing, that's been a gold mine. All different kinds of ways. I did a video on this recently. I'm going to post this in the description below the video. I share with you 7 different ways that you can make money. And also in that video, I shared the mistakes that I've made in growing my channel, why it hasn't grown faster than it has, and why my AdSense isn't higher than it is, so that you can learn from those mistakes and not make the same ones. So that's a very valuable video for you to watch. And also, I do have a free webinar that shows you how to start a profitable YouTube channel, and you don't even have to show your face. I will post that in the description below this video as well. Site number 5 is Amazon Handmade. I think this is a gold mine too that a lot of people are not using. And again, it has traffic from Amazon. So let's take a look here. You can see the different categories are jewelry, home decor, kitchen and dining, beauty and grooming, handbags and totes, stationery and party supplies, clothing and accessories, and toys and games. I think toys and games is very interesting because you can see how people make different toys, and they actually sell them for a pretty good price here. And you can go ahead and look at all the different items and get ideas on things that you might make. So I think, again, this is a gold mine that a lot of people are not using, and you get traffic from Amazon. So it's a really great way to make $100 per day. Website number 6 is Textbroker, and you can become a content writer. I know someone who travels the world and is a content writer. With this website, they rate your work anywhere from 2 to 5 stars. And if you're able to work yourself up to 5 stars, you'll earn 5 cents per word. So if you write a 2,000 word article, that will pay you $100. So if you can do that every day, that's how you can make $100 a day with this website. I created a video just about Textbroker. I'm going to post this in the description below the video so you can check out Textbroker a little bit further. Number 7 is you can do retail arbitrage and resell these items on Poshmark and Mercari. So you can go out to estate sales, resale shops, and find brand name clothing or different items and resell them on these websites. They both have apps. And I used to do this with Amazon. I would go out with a scanner and look at items in stores and find out that they were selling a lot more on Amazon, and I would send them into Amazon. But this is a really easy way to make money from home. In fact, someone on the Mercari app wrote a review that said she was bored during quarantine, so she cleaned out her closet and she made $80 in 3 weeks. But that's just with her selling the stuff that she has in her closet. But imagine if you really have an intention of going out and finding items that you can purchase at a low price and selling them at a higher price, you can really make some good money. Another person at work, she does this and she makes good money. So these are 2 really great websites that you can use for retail arbitrage. And you can also go online. You can do online arbitrage and find items that are on at a discounted price and then resell them on these 2 websites. Website number 8 is rev.com, and I just got an email yesterday that they partnered with YouTube, so they're definitely going to need a lot more people to do transcriptions. You can also do subtitles and captions. You definitely can make money being a transcriptionist, and one of the most popular videos on my channel here is this one, where you can make $900 per week being a transcriptionist. I will leave that in the description below the video as well. So I hope you guys found some value in these 8 websites where you can make $100 per day. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It really helps the video and helps other people to see it. And if you want to learn more information like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money from home, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check that out as well. Just remember, it's a matter of getting started, being consistent, and really having belief in yourself. And it's so much different than having a job. But I think the most important thing is to have belief in yourself. And I learned from the great Mark Hoverson, who made millions of dollars online and is no longer with us, unfortunately. He said that he saw something in people who finally succeeded, and that was they've spent a lot of money on training, but they had enough points of reference, they saw enough people around them that were succeeding, that they finally had belief in themselves, and that's when they started to break through and be able to make a full-time income online. So belief in yourself is super important, but being consistent and persistent is equally important. And if you enjoyed this video, I think you'll really enjoy these 2 videos coming up: how to earn $1,000 per month passive income and how to earn $100 per day for free with affiliate marketing. Go ahead and click on them now. They're getting started right now.